How to start blogging and make money. If you're not sure what blogging is, it's basically the self-publication of writing, photography, and other forms of media on the internet. It began as a way for people to post diary-style entries, but it has subsequently been integrated into many businesses and personal websites. Daily or weekly updates, a use of casual language and a chance for readers to interact with the writer are all characteristics of blogging. In this video we are going to tell you how to start blogging and make money. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, as every week we bring you new videos and show you how you can have the life you want. The basics of blogging. How it works. Getting a website and publishing unique content on it is all it takes to start blogging. Bloggers who are tech-savvy can purchase a domain name and construct their own website. Those who aren't familiar with HTML can register an account on many sites that sell domain names and have website builders. The majority of blogs are basic web pages. Older posts may be stored in other areas of the site, and there may be a separate page with contact information or a profile, but the blog is generally just a single page that can be browsed through, similar to the news feed on social networking sites like Facebook. A blog, like a Facebook news feed, puts the most recent information at the front of the page. Interlinking is another distinguishing aspect of blogging. This happens when a blogger includes a link to either another person's blog in their own post or to the site they may be talking about during their blog. For example, you might want to talk about tech in your blog. You can include a link to buy that item or get an in-depth review about it. Interlinking, in conjunction with the comment area, helps to develop the sense of community that distinguishes blogs. How to start blogging. Choose a name for your blog and a special niche for it. You must choose a name and a specialty for your new site. The name of your blog is the first thing people will see. It should ideally symbolize either the broad themes you'll be writing about, or it might be your own name, the name of your business, a clever combination of words, or something else entirely. The basic topic area on which you'll be focusing your material is your blog's specialty. Topics such as travel, cuisine, fashion, lifestyle, technology, and others are examples. Incorporating a word or two in the name of your blog that clearly indicates what your material is about will be very useful to your potential blog visitors. Get your blog online. The next step in creating a blog is to get your site up and running. A web hosting provider can help you with that. You'll choose the blogging platform and web hosting package you'll use to get your blog up and running in this stage. WordPress is a free publishing platform that has been used to power more than 60% of all blogs on the internet. Use a free WordPress theme to create your blog. Now that you've completed the setup part of creating a blog, WordPress is your best bet if you want to establish a blog and generate money from it. One thing to keep in mind is that WordPress is available on two different platforms. WordPress.com and WordPress.org are two different websites. They have nearly identical names, however there are significant distinctions between them. WordPress.com. Is it possible to utilize it for free? Doesn't allow you to choose your own domain name. There are few alternatives for monetization. You can't add plugins since it won't let you. Because of the lack of theme support, you're left with fairly basic designs. To remove the WordPress branding and acquire your own domain, such as your site.com, you must pay a fee. SEO and analytics are limited. WordPress.org. No branding, fully adjustable design, and infinite plugin choices. You have complete control over your monetization activities. SEO characteristics that are extremely effective. Allows you to create or expand an online store or a membership site. A little monthly fee is charged. While the option is yours, we believe WordPress.org gives you the best options if you want to get the most out of your blog, have it grow with you, and eventually generate money from it. At this point we should point out we are not affiliated or are receiving any money by promoting WordPress.org. We are merely saying what we feel is the best platform to use. Choosing the best WordPress theme, for free. Don't buy a premium WordPress theme straight away if you're just getting started with your site. When you have enough traffic to warrant the expense, you should consider upgrading to a premium theme with more features and choices. However, for the time being, a complicated theme will be a distraction from your primary goal of attracting visitors to your new site. Start with one of the free themes available without spending too much effort on it for now. You can always edit it later if you want. Create your first blog. You don't read a blog because it looks beautiful or because they write regularly. You read a blog because you are interested in what it has to say. Strong content is what will attract you readers and help you make money blogging in the long run. Before you begin building a blog business strategy, sketching out your content roadmap, or writing your first blog post, you should first answer one basic question. Why? Why are you so passionate about the subject of your blog? Why should anyone care about what you have to say? Why do you think this is an issue where you can contribute value? 5 methods for coming up with original blog article ideas. Make a list of all the things that come to mind and write them down. Begin by writing down as many concepts or keywords as possible. Aim for items that you know your target audience would appreciate. What are the questions they're posing? What problems do they have that you can help them out with? To get even more ideas, use a keyword research tool. To acquire more ideas, use keyword research tools. These tools will show you phrases and subjects that are similar to the ones you've previously thought of, as well as the amount of traffic such terms receive. Put concepts together that are similar, take a look at all of your words and start refining them. Are there any duplicates that you can combine? Make a spreadsheet with your ideas and rank them. Now add your term, anticipated search volume, difficulty, and opportunity to your editorial calendar spreadsheet. Assign a priority to each of these topics on a scale of 1 to 5, based on your observations. Create a content plan that addresses all 3 essential requirements. Make a list of your key priorities and assign them timeframes. Look for subjects that address all 3 of these requirements, fits your niche, meets the actual requirements of your readers, and has the ability to attract search engine traffic to your site. Then, to get started, create a blog post outline to reinforce your major ideas. Create catchy titles. You are now ready to start writing your first blog article. Understanding how to create a great title that will captivate readers and, more importantly, deliver on the promise of what your post is trying to achieve is vital. Learn to write a compelling title by looking at the headlines of other successful bloggers in your field as a starting point. Choosing an SEO-friendly URL for a blog article. Remember to use a dash to separate each word in a new post URL. Keep it short, no more than 3 to 5 words, and to the point. Unless there's a compelling need to do so, don't utilize numbers. Always add the phrase target keyword phrase in your content. Pressing the publish button on your first blog post. You're almost ready to publish your first blog article. Take a few minutes to double-check the host SEO recommendations and make sure your blog post is SEO friendly. which will help you rank higher in organic search. After you've fine-tuned your SEO settings, select which category this new article will belong to and check the box. Then it's time to press the Publish button. Keep photos in your post. According to studies, blog articles containing photos receive 94% more views than those without. When it comes to social media posts, tweets with photographs receive 150% more retweets than those without, while Facebook posts with images receive 3 times more interaction. Adding these to a blog article may virtually double the number of views and increase the number of shares it receives. When you include a picture in your article, it makes it appear longer. It doesn't add to the article's word count, but it does make it appear more thorough. If you're writing a short post, using a picture or two will make it appear much more professional. Now you have to get people to read your blog, so start by promoting it. Using social media to spread the word about your blog. When you're looking for readers, the first place to look is social media. Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Snapchat are just a few of the most popular social media platforms. You should choose whichever platform best matches your niche and audience's interests. That's an essential point to keep in mind. It's pointless to try to promote your blog content across all social media platforms. Guest posting. One of the best aspects about beginning a blog is that you'll be joining a community of other bloggers that like helping one another. The easiest approach to connect with an already established audience is to guest blog on other related sites. You need to look for areas where your audience is already, whether that's other blogs, communities, or social media platforms, and be active there. Blogging to make money. Programs for affiliates. We've talked about affiliate marketing before, so this should not be a surprise to you that it works really well in a blog. If you want to get started with affiliate marketing, consider the items you already use and think about what your readers might be interested in. You may then see whether they have an affiliate program that you can join. Because you may advertise a wide range of items, affiliate marketing is the simplest approach to earn money. Affiliate programs are available at almost every well-known retailer, including Walmart, Best Buy, Amazon, and others. Integrate Google AdSense into your WordPress site. Google AdSense is a simple method to monetize your site. All you have to do is embed a Google script on your website and start displaying advertisements. Every time a user clicks on the ad, you will be compensated. CPC advertisements are what they're called. CPC stands for cost per click. When you use Google AdSense to display CPC advertisements, you are paid a fixed amount each time a visitor clicks on one. Get paid to write reviews. You may generate money on your blog by writing paid reviews, which is similar to sponsored articles. This is a different revenue approach than a review site with affiliate connections. Instead, you get to test out goods relating to your area for free, and you may even get paid to write reviews. WordPress may be used to sell services online. Selling services is the quickest way to get started if you're searching for simple methods to generate money online. There is no need to create a product or invest in inventory upfront. Instead, just add a Hire Me page to your website and begin hunting for your first customer. There are many ways to earn money from a blog. As soon as you get experience in blogging, the way to earn money will start opening in front of you. Just start and see where it leads you. Let us know how you get on and see you next week for another video about helping you make money.